It's also the situation of Himachal Pradesh's financial details that you look at and you realize how low the situation actually is. In fact, it looks very grim considering that the government has now delayed the salaries of government employees as well. The employee union has now written to the chief secretary requesting to issue instructions to bank to not to impose any sort of a penalty for the delay in EMIs. In fact, in the letter, the employees have also stated that they don't have sufficient funds to pay EMIs as the salary of August has also not been credited. The Saffron Party has upped its ante against the Sukhu government after the chief minister ended up blaming the BJP for plunging the state into a financial crisis. The BJP has condemned the government's move to delay the salary of government employees. This statement comes after Sukhu government earlier announced that his cabinet will force salary for 2 months. Sukhu government is also reviewing several subsidies that had been started by the BJP government.
कहीं ना कहीं एक आर्थिक संकट जो था वो चल वहाँ पे, और उसी के बीच में अब जो कर्मचारी हैं उन्होंने एक लेटर भी लिखा है और कह रहे हैं कि हम धरना देंगे अगर हम लोगों के पास में सैलरीज टाइम पर नहीं आती हैं।
देखिए, वहाँ आर्थिक संकट चल नहीं रहा था, जानबूझकर थोपा गया था। एक तो जैसा मुख्यमंत्री का बयान आया है, पिछली सरकार ने जयराम जी की, उन्होंने पूरा खजाना खाली कर दिया था, अनियोजित खर्च किए थे। उनको मालूम था कि उनकी सरकार नहीं बन जा रही, तो आने वाली सरकार के लिए वो कुछ छोड़ के नहीं गए। दूसरी बात जो ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है, केंद्र सरकार ने जब वहां दैवीय आपदा आई, जब सरकार के पास संसाधन कम थे, तो उस दैवीय आपदा में भेदभाव किया।
जिस तरह से मुख्यमंत्री लगातार डीजल की कीमतें बढ़ा रहे हैं, सीमेंट की कीमतें बढ़ा रहे हैं, राशन की कीमतें बढ़ा रहे हैं और सारी चीजों में जो इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं, बसों का किराया बढ़ा रहे हैं और टैक्सेस सारी चीजों पे लगा रहे हैं, उससे मुझे लगता है कि एक पार्ट ये भी देखना चाहिए कि गरीब लोगों के ऊपर बोझ ना पड़े। बिल्कुल ऐसी स्थिति ना हो कि गरीब आदमी का जीना ही मुश्किल हो जाए। इस बात को ध्यान में रखने की आवश्यकता है। और दूसरी बात मुझे लगता है कि की तारीख में जो कदम उठाने की आवश्यकता है, वो एरियाज हमको आइडेंटिफाई करने चाहिए जहां हम रेवेन्यू को बढ़ाने के लिए कदम उठा सकते हैं और फिजूल खर्ची को रोकने के लिए कदम उठा सकते हैं। उस दिशा में जाने की आवश्यकता है।
Utterly misled by the irrational, cut voodoo economics and Tughlaq economics of Rahul Gandhi, the Congress government in Himachal has plunged the state into financial ruin and brink of bankruptcy. I think it's time Mr. Rahul Gandhi, he shouldn't run away from this financial mess his government has created in Himachal Pradesh. It's time he addresses this issue and takes responsibility and owns for this disaster, the financial disaster which the Congress government has created in Himachal Pradesh and put into perilous danger the future of the state and the future of its people.
This is for the first time in Himachal Pradesh that due to economic crisis, employees and pensioners have not received their salaries and pension. As today is 4th of September and till now they have not received their salaries. Employees are little worried. They are also in anger, and they have also written a letter to Chief Secretary of Himachal Pradesh requesting him to instruct the banks that not to impose any penalty on EMI as their salary has not been credited till now. Though CM Sukhvinder Sukhu has said in Vidhan Sabha that the employees will receive their salary till 5th of September.